Alright, welcome to another lesson. Today we'll be working on E Major Pentatonic scale. E Major Pentatonic scale is just a 5-note scale where we have the root, the second, the third, the fifth, the sixth, and the repetition of root, which is the 8th. So when you observe a regular major scale, for example, E major scale, we have E, we have F sharp, we have G sharp, we have A, we have B, we have C sharp, we have D sharp, and we have E. But for us to realize our E major pentatonic scale, this is what we do. We do away with the 4th degree and also the 7th degree of this scale. So the remaining note now forms our pentatonic scale, the major pentatonic scale in this case. So in the regular major scale of E, we do away with the 4th, which is what? The A. And we also do away with the 7th, which is the D sharp. So we now have this. So that's E major pentatonic scale. The next thing that you want to do will be for you to stick around by doing some kind of technical exercises that will help you to have a feel of this scale. You may also try to improvise with this scale. But for a start, let's work on some of the technical exercises. All right. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Do well to turn up the notification button so that when I post new videos, you can have a feel of it, you'll be updated. Happy shading. Enjoy.